Hey, how's it going? Today I'm unboxing the HD camera for the PlayStation 5. In my last video, I unboxed the media remote for the PlayStation 5. You can check that out here. Today, I'm unboxing this HD camera for the PS5. In the box, you have the HD camera and the instruction manual. Not much else. Personalize your gameplay sharing. Up your game and step into the spotlight with smooth, sharp, full HD, 1080p HD capture, background removal tools, built-in stand. Compatible PlayStation 5. Alright, time to open up. Another instruction manual. Here it is. Terminates in USB Type A. Here is said stand. The head kind of swivels a bit too. There you have it. The HD camera features dual lenses for 1080p capture. It also has this built-in adjustable stand to make it easier to place it above or below your TV. It also works seamlessly with PlayStation 5's background removal tools, which is the main reason why I got this HD camera. Now, naturally, it has the same design aesthetics as the PlayStation 5 and the rest of the accessories, the main color being white with this glossy black plastic. Outside, smoother plastic. Inside, has a bit of a texture to it. And I'm sure that once we take a closer look, it'll be that same embossed X's, square, triangle, and O's. Great attention to detail. Kind of looks like a robot, sort of like Wall-E, maybe? No? Now, unfortunately, I won't be able to test out the background removal tools because I don't have a PlayStation 5 right now. But as soon as I get it, I'm looking forward to testing those out. That's it for this unboxing. Thank you so much for watching. If there's anything you want me to test out or try, leave it in the comments below. Hit the like button if you like this video. Consider subscribing if you haven't already. On the road to 20 subscribers. Until next time, take it easy. Peace.